yung mga sinabi niyo about, yung sinasabi mo kanina, parang you have a love-hate relationship sometimes? May ganun ba? So ano yung mga traits ni Heaven na you like most? Tapos ano yung gusto mong, what are the traits that you want change, if ever?
What I love about Heaven is Heaven really knows how to make people happy.
Okay.
Like she knows how to make me feel like a man. And like again, I said earlier, no other girl had made me feel that the importance of being the man, you know. And Heaven makes me feel that, and I think that made me grow up in a way. And I love that. I love that about her. Some things that I would change about her. There's one thing. I think I would love for her to cook a little bit more. She doesn't know how. The only thing she knows how to do is kimchi fried rice. And I would love her to know how to cook a little bit of other Filipino dishes. You know?
That could be learned in the future.
Yeah, she can learn.
I mean, kung may nagluluto naman para sa akin, di ba? So, yun yung love. Yun, kasi ganun ako, malambing ako eh. So, yun yung way of showing love ko naman. Para nakikita niya, kailangan ko siya.
Wow, okay. Yung vice versa naman, ano yung, what are the things that you want Marco change in himself?
And ano yung gusto ko kay Marco na traits?
Yeah, mga traits mo.
Yung gusto ko kay Marco na trait, parang naguluhan ako. Joke lang. Hindi, sobrang maalaga ni Marco. De madre, sobrang maalaga niya. Nililinis,
Continue. Seems interesting.
Kasi, ayoko, shit. Parang kunyari, mas marumi yung set, lilinisin niya yun para lang yung malinis. Para sa akin. Ganon. Or kunyari, madumi yung paa ko. May one time, I remember, naka-slippers ako on set, and syempre nadudumihan. So, pinaupo niya ako one time, and grinite niya yung paa ko. So like, ganun siya, yung love language niya is to serve actually. Those are the things that I love about him. Siguro one thing that I would love for him to change is him being so stubborn at times. But I mean, it's good, you know. I think we all are. I mean, I'm super stubborn, so oh yeah. So you know, it's like vice versa.
Yeah, I think being stubborn is being honest also. So that's also a good trait.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
My God. Marco, Marco!
Ako meron na akong isa eh.
Meron ka na ba?
Yung isa yung sweetest, nakita ko talaga, last shooting day namin, nasa van kami. Heaven brings in this big box, and a small box for me. And pagbuksan ko, it's like she gave me a lamp, like a light shooting lamp na for my desk. It's super cute. And then she gave Marco a vinyl record. And sabi ko, oh my God, sobrang sweet na. And I could see Marco's face. He's just speechless kasi he really wanted it. So yun yung mga nakikita kong kilig. Ikaw, Marco?
Not necessarily gifts, It could be a gesture, could be an effort, na ginawa niya na para sa'yo sweet.
Well, the first thing where I get really the word kilig in my stomach, it's when Heaven takes care of me. You know, when she asks what food do I want and she orders it for me, and it doesn't have to be expensive. To me, the little thing just really makes me super happy. And again, when I saw that vinyl player the first time I said it was like, you're gonna have to buy this. I know it's expensive, and it was just super sweet, and I'm super thankful for that. But, okay, that's the first one. The second one, come on, let's cut to the chase. Let's be honest. Pag nilalandi niya ako sa no, you know, when we have those scenes and you just give me those flirtatious eyes, that's para sa eksena lang naman. Third, I think when she makes sure that I'm ready for the scene. So like, I'm not, let's say, wala lang ako sa zone, and she just sits down with me and helps me. I have this routine, let's say it's a heavy scene, I put my earphones on, and there's a couple songs that I listen to. And kesa naman mag-prepare din siya, she sits down beside me and she's holding my hand and she sits down and helps me out. And I think not every actress does that. And the fact that she does, I appreciate it. And the only reason why I was telling her I wasn't gonna be able to do this movie if it wasn't without you. So yeah, thank you.
Top 3 na pinaka-sweetest thing na ginawa ni Marco. One is when we were in Siargao, actually. During the shoot ba? Sorry. Yeah, one time lang. During when we were in Siargao, it was super cold, gabi na, tapos wala kang dalang blanket, and nasa beach yun, sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. And so, kahit lamig na lamig siya, wala siyang damit kasi binigay niya na sa akin. So, yun, mga little things like that. Second, siguro yung sa movie, binigyan niya ako ng coffee, tapos nagulat na lang ako, nakalagay doon for Tita Babes. Sobrang cute. And then, third, gumawa siya ng pasta. Pero, hindi ko naman nakain. Kasi siya yung kumain, si Derek. So, Derek, I hate you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ana Pingol from Pika Pika. And last but definitely not the least, we have Sir Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap.
Hello. Kaya question na kay Marco and Heaven. Since QC na Alabang, so magbabiyahe kayo dalawa from QC to Alabang, anong magandang stopover para sa inyo? Anong gagawin nyo? Saan magandang mag-stopover? And ano yung gagawin nyo? Going from QC to Alabang. Sa mga places from QC to Alabang. Geographical ang tanong ano. Sa mga convenience store ba? Or
No, there's this one place that I haven't brought you yet. It's this projector museum. How is it called? Art in the Island, that's how it's called. It's in QC. I've been meaning to bring you there. And yeah, I think that would be the first stopover. I think second would be Makati because they have a good Italian restaurant called Gino.
Yes.
It's good. It's pretty realistic pizza. Yeah. And Gino ba yun? Okay. Anyways, and then last stop in Alabang. I really like the parks there. Like the, how is it called? No. In Alabang. They have like lots of parks, but I'm not familiar with Alabang. It's like a little mall, which is open. You know where Wonderland Festival was? You know where Decathlon is? Okay, so like they have parks around there, and Heaven and I enjoy going on walks around parks, and that's one thing I love about Alabang. It doesn't have these skyscrapers. It's open. It's windy, and we have never walked in Alabang. Let's walk in Alabang.
Next destination. Kevin, same thing? Same thing?
Hindi ako magaling sa directions mo lang. Take me, lead me.
Good choices, Marco. So, kay Direk Gino naman. So, ang tagal mo na nakakasama so far nung dalawa, right? So, from the series and up to this movie. So, ano po yung mga na-discover nyo from the start up to the present sa kanilang dalawa? Hindi nyo pa alam before.
Ano ba? Sabi ko na passionate eh. Pero, you know, one thing that I've learned about them is they will never stop learning. Because, you know, it's also important na, you know, when I see them before, parang, oh, they're not just pretty faces, no? They're actors. And they want to evolve. They want to try something new. And that's something that I've seen personally, and I think that will help them with their careers as they move forward. Just because, di ba, may madaming mga celebrities, they're just stuck there because they just want to be pretty or want to be guapo. But for them, it's okay for them not to be pretty or guapo. Papangitin nila yung sarili na for a role, or even the scene, uhog nila lumalabas na luha nila, okay lang, pause sila just for the role, and I appreciate that with them, and I think that's very important for you know, a lot of young actors, and I see them doing so many projects, you know, after this, because the versatility is there, and that's very important, and yun yung nakita ko sa kanila.
Good luck po sa movie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. That's it for our Q&A for tonight. So once again, we would like to thank everyone for being here, our press friends, media friends, and our bloggers. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito tonight, sa pagsama niyo sa amin. So guys, why don't we invite everybody, Direct and the cast, please go ahead. Thank you.
Yes, I'm inviting everyone to watch Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang. This May 1 na po, starring Heaven Paralejo and Marco Gallo. And this is one great ride. It talks about love, relationships, sacrifice, ambition, everything else, and ang dami makarelate dito. And so please watch it in the cinema. I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na manood ng Men Are From QC and Women Are From Alabang. This May 1 na po yan. Sa mga press natin, sana nandun po kayo, please. You guys are invited. And I just wanna say na sobrang proud ako sa film na to. Binigay ko yung 200% ko. Mahal na mahal ko tong project na to. Nakakatuwa kasi sobrang collaborative. Sobrang, lahat kami tulungan. Lahat kami mahal tong project na to. And so sana, bigyan niyo po ng pagkakataon. Ngayong May 1 na po yan, holiday. So saktong-sakto, panoorin niyo po with your loved ones. Thank you!
I think they really said everything, but the only thing I'm gonna say, this is the best project that I have ever done in 8 years. Like, this is it. This is the one that is gonna break your heart. It's gonna fill it up with love and hope. And hopefully everyone that even wonders what love is, this movie will tell you about it. So hopefully you get to watch it on May 1.
Thank you, Heaven, Marco, and Direct. At this point in time, pwede po ba tayong tumayo dito sa harap for another photo op? So get your cameras ready, your phones out. Let's do this. Maraming salamat po. And then right after that, the screen right there, we're going to be showing our teaser. So please watch out for that. Go ahead. Sige po, photo op po tayo. This is our chance again to take the photos. Para ma-promote po natin na ang Men Are From QC and Women Are From Alabang. This is showing on May 1st cinemas nationwide, starring Heaven Paralejo, Marco Gallo, Wilbert Ross, Andre de Rosario, Angelo Ayana, Rose Banjenko, Fumela Baranda, Giselle Sanchez, Ivan Padilla, Peach Caparas, Sofia Champ, Lian Jimeno, and Andrew Gan. Directed by Direct Gino M. Santos.
Here naman po sa taas. 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Annalyn. May card ka?
Alrighty, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Please turn your attention to our screen for our teaser.